My name is Andrew Henry, and I'm the Health Commissioner for the Jefferson County General Health District. Public health nuisance complaints are a vital function of our environmental division. Today we wanted to share some information on how to go about filing a complaint and what the differences are between nuisance complaints from the health department standpoint and just general nuisances in the community. First, we wanted to address what is a public health nuisance. A public health nuisance is anything that has the likelihood of causing a disease or injury potential for the community. Examples of public health nuisances include open dumping of garbage, sewage issues, insect or vermin complaints, and the improper storage of scrap tires. There are a number of complaints that the health department does not have the jurisdiction to enforce, and those are the following: tall grass, poison ivy or overgrown properties, abandoned vehicles and metal junkyards, abandoned trailers, drainage issues not caused by a sewage treatment system, and lastly, violations of city, township, village, or county zoning regulations. The types of issues that the health department runs into during nuisance and complaint investigations includes unreachable property owners, legal issues with a property such as a deceased owner, inability to maintain properties, and sometimes just a general lack of pride to maintain what is yours. After a nuisance complaint is filed with the health department, the environmental division will investigate the complaint with our team of environmental health sanitarians. These sanitarians will go to the property, investigate the request, and issue orders for the property owner to abate the nuisance if so deemed a health hazard by the Jefferson County General Health District. In order to file a nuisance complaint with the health department, first you must fill out a nuisance complaint form. You may do that by calling us at 740-283-8530 or go to our website at jchealth.com. Those forms are available, and we do not accept anonymous complaints, so you must fill out the form in full, and then we will respond to it in a timely fashion.
I'm Anita Petrella, the Executive Director for the JB Green team. We've recently started a program in coordination with the Sheriff's Department. We've hired a deputy to be our litter enforcement officer, and the deputy goes around the county and looks for illegal dumps. He also monitors our bins at our recycling sites. If you put recycling or any other piece of material in front, around, or behind our bins, that's considered an illegal dumping. Also, if you put material that is non-recyclable in our bins, that's considered littering. We have the deputy here with us today to answer any further questions you may have, or you're welcome to call my office with a question.
My name is Deputy Pulaski with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, and I am the Environmental Enforcement Officer for Jefferson County. The type of illegal activity I investigate is open dumping, illegal dumping along the roadways, and also at the recycling sites throughout the county. I'm more criminal charges in my matter, which address and then go through the court, and which we've had a lot of cooperation with both municipal and county district courts with restitution and fines. The most common issue is illegal dumping along the roadways and household garbage within our recycling sites. To file a complaint, you contact the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and request Deputy Pulaski. What we'd like the public to know is that illegal dumping at the recycling sites is the same as along the roadway, and we are charging people with that, and we've had cooperation from the courts, and we're seeing the penalties imposed as fines and restitution. This program is funded by JB Green Team, which allows the enforcement of anti-littering laws as defined in the ORC. Anti-littering is not junk motor vehicles or anything that is not waste.